But in my opinion, this scent is so much better. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's up everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video. Be a quick video. This is just discussing these scents right here. Which one is the best and how do I spray these in my car? Well, I mean, I don't really use this, but this is just video purposes. But I do like these scents. Most people use this right here, and come to find out, but in my opinion, this scent is so much better. Let's talk about it. So I feel like the black ice scent is a industry standard in a way. Like, I don't have any black ice in here. I don't use this scent anymore, but I feel like this is an industry standard. It has great reviews. It's a really good scent, but it does not last long in my opinion. It does not last long at all. Maybe for a day or two. I'm gonna show y'all how I input my scent in as well, but I'm just gonna discuss this first. But this scent does not last long, so I do not use this at all. I don't do tests, or I guess you could say I do tests, but I got this and I had got this all at the same time. And to me, let's talk more about this scent. It is the best scent to use. It's hard to explain. Y'all know if y'all bought chemical guys before. Their other scents is good too, but I personally like this one. This is like a cologne, like a Barredo type of cologne to me, if y'all are familiar with that. But this scent right here is magnificent. So like a couple of sprays of this car still smells like my car still smells just like this scent, even with the windows up, or I don't use my window. You don't really use my sunroof, but I use my, with my sunroof open or just kick back, the scent still stays in my car. Maybe it's how I spray it, but the scent has been in my car for over 2 weeks, just off a couple of sprays. And I'm gonna show you how I spray it here in a minute. But this scent to me, it should be an industry standard. Now, once again, chemical guys have like multiple of the scents. You can't get this inside of the store. You can get the little bottle inside the store, but you can't get this bottle inside the store, at least at Walmart, at least in Walmart. But I got this from Amazon. I think it's like $7 and it does last. I still have a lot in there. But I was spraying it because I use a lot of it because I was spraying it not knowing that I got so used to the scent. But when I would have opened my door, like I would just open it and close it, or just slightly open it, I'll smell that breeze come out. I'm like, man, it still smells like this. After 2 or 3 weeks, I noticed it a couple of days ago. I'm like, man, my car still smells great like this. So, but normally, I mean, just keep your car clean, keep it vacuumed, it'll pretty much keep the smell in. And I normally smell it when I open and close my door. So I was like, man, like, let's scoot my camera back. Like, what is going on? This scent is so good. It's like a stench to it. It has like a perfect stench to it. It actually sticks to the carpet. It actually stays in the vehicle. This does not. This is not as all. But let's quit talking about this one and let's talk about this one. This is really good too. Meguires. It does last. Especially, I would mainly use this in the summertime because you probably gonna have your windows up. If you're gonna have your windows up and your AC going on a regular basis. So this is what this is really good for. This will last a long time. I used this years ago. I used it for my Lincoln here. I use the new car scent and it lasts, you know what I'm saying? It lasts for weeks on, weeks on. As long as you don't drive with your windows down. Even then, I mean, depending on how you drive with them down, I guess, but this lasts much longer, obviously, because when you put this in here, you got to put it in your car, let it spray, take the lid off, let it spray for about 15 minutes. So I'm not gonna do this to my car, not yet at least, it's just extra. But this lasts much longer than I would invest, instead of buying this, I would invest in this. This is gonna last you much longer than this scent. I had to constantly spray this scent. Hell, I would spray this, and 2 or 3 days later, the scent's already gone, I don't smell it. I spray this, sorry, but I would spray this, and I spray this in my trunk all throughout the inside of the car, and it lasts so long. It lasts so long that it's just crazy. Once again, so I would not buy this anymore. I do not recommend this product anymore. It does not last long. It doesn't have like the stench. I'm using the word stench just like you know, when someone smells bad or like you go by a garbage can, this is how that scent smells. This is exactly how this scent smells. This does not smell like this. It doesn't last long. This lasts long because obviously, once again, you run it, you have your car on, you run it for about 15 minutes or so, or 10 to 15 minutes with the AC pushing hard in your air and recirculation. This is why the scent is good, but we're gonna get into it in just a second. This is why this scent is great too. So I'm gonna show y'all how to spray it. I'm not gonna spray, but actually I am gonna spray. So I'm gonna show y'all how I spray my scent and what I do to make it last, all right? And last but not least, I feel like every car is different. Before I start spraying, I feel like every car is different. So normally I keep it on like the regular, not the steam. If you use steam, something's wrong with you, but I keep it on the actual sprayer. Light is on spray. So normally I spray here, boom. Just a couple, spray or two, spray right here. Close that door. Sorry, I'm gonna do a video on my interior and everything, y'all. But those who watch my channel and like Avalon content, I spray here. I spray under here. Maybe once, twice, and I spray right here. Anything that's like cloth, obviously don't spray directly on the leather. Normally I have my car running when I do this, but just for example purposes, I spray back here. Got some hats and stuff back here, but I normally spray back there. Just spray back there, boom. Maybe like 3 sprays. And also what I think, I spray right here too. I spray on the back side of these. So all the way down I spray. Just a couple sprays. And I get up on the other seat. But what I also do, what I don't see people do is I spray my liner, because think about this. When you have this spraying, if you got it on the floor or like right here or something, that spray is literally hitting this headliner the whole time. It's legitimately hitting the headliner the whole time. So I might show a video. I'm trying to find a clip showing how this sprays in, but I always spray my headliner. I always spray the headliner. So I spray kind of directly. You want to keep it, you can put it on steam if you want to, but I just get like close to it so it don't mess up the, get on the spray doesn't like stain the seat or whatever. Then I gotta go clean it. But I like just do this literally. I just spray, see the chemicals already in there. I just spray it directly in a couple spots. And I close my, I'll show y'all this side too. And I close my liner and I just spray that as well. Just a couple sprays, you gotta kind of hit it back. And that's pretty much what I do. But the main thing is, and same goes for this, spray back here, boom, right? And then spray. I use my right hand. Spray right here too. Boom. But the main thing you want to spray is under here. Once again, spray here, boom, boom. And you want to spray up under here. So you want to have your car on because you have your cabin air filter in there, and if you spray here and just kind of spray, while the car is running, it's going to suck that smell in and go through the cabin filter and go through your vents and all that good stuff. And normally I just have my car running for about 5 minutes and I'm good. And that literally, this lasts me, once again, you can come back up here too and spray again, something like that. But just for example, so that's how I spray this scent. This is the best scent. I've tested it. Did so many tests, I guess you would say tests, but just throughout time, I was like, okay, this scent is better. It lasts me so much longer. This bottle can last you months on, months in, months on, months out, or whatever like that. This bottle will last you so long. Like I say, I was using it because I didn't think that it was smelling good, but I would have a lot more because I'm like, man, like the scent really does last. It's like an odor, just like I gave you the example of like a garbage can. When you walk by a garbage can, it has an odor to it. That's how this scent is. It literally has an odor to it. It lasts for weeks. Even with my sunroof open, it lasts. Like, I'm not even playing with y'all. So that's how you want to spray it. Just make sure when you do your sprays, cut the car on and have it on the full blast. And run it. I run it for about 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes at best. Not even 10 minutes. I run for 5 minutes and it smells the whole car for weeks on end. I say like a max like 3 weeks, but I still smell it in there. Just a little bit, but I just sprayed for y'all for example. But other than that, man, that's gonna make it a wrap for the video. I didn't want to make this video too long, but this is the best spray, hands down. Don't buy, the main reason for this video is do not buy like the little hanging fresheners and things of that nature. Don't buy that. Buy this right here. I'm telling y'all, man, this is a game changer. Now you get your own scent. They have other scents and stuff like that, but this is the best scent in my opinion. This is also, my bad, I forgot to explain as well. This is a better smelling version of Black Ice. Like, this is a better smelling version of Black Ice, hands down. Tell me if I'm wrong. If y'all, leave a comment down below. But let me know in the comment section, do these smell similar? Go to Walmart, go buy the little bottle of this and buy the bottle of this and spray it on your hands, spray it on the car, and tell me which one smells different. This smells good, but this is like an enhanced version of this. This is an enhanced version of this right here.
It was hard for me.
This is smells good. Other than that, this really might profit that. I'm out.